What is up, YouTube? Today is Sunday the 3rd, July 3rd. About to go meet up with my pops. About to pull apart the motor on the bus. So we about to see what's going on. I mean, he was there since like 9. But I'm about to go over there and see what he's up to. So I'll catch y'all in a few. Laters. Cleaning off the head before we take it off. Oh, smells. Yeah, man, about to pull off the head today. Oh, there's the zoom thing. There we go. Alright. That's it, nice and clean.
Push it back.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. Okay, that's it. Hold on. Hold it here, let me go in the back.
Alright.
Just hold it here.
Alright.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, give me.
Oh. Only 3 you got. But right here.
You put that one on it more back. Watch your finger. Put this one in. Put it in. Put it in. Put this one over there. Okay, that's one. We'll check on that one side.
Alright.
Number one cylinder messed up. You see? Look, you see?
Lines here.
You see all the lines inside there? Yes.
Oh yeah, big difference.
You feel how rough it is inside?
Especially right here.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'm going to go below and take out the piston. And then I take out the sleeve. See?
The other pistons, they good?
Huh?
The other ones?
Yeah, I have piston, I have sleeve, I have piston. I need something to drink. Go get me something to drink and buy me a hand cleaner. I'm gonna go below and take out the pistons.
Alright.
You know, like that, yeah.
All the fluid coming out. Careful.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Give me a whole piston around over there.
Alright.
Not that 3 piece.
Alright. Yeah.
You still got more, a lot more?
No, let me soak it up.
Just use the dirty rag and soak it up.
Alright. Let me take this here. Ooh. All right.
Okay, pull it up with your hand.
Alright.
Pick up your soda and hold it and pull it up.
Alright. I see a big difference in the skirt, the wall. Big difference. Nice and smooth. So yeah, big difference.
You see, this is like brand new. Yeah? You see the difference?
Big difference. I see it. All right. Okay. Piston is good. That's number 5. It's coming up. It's not out yet, but it's coming.
Okay. Oh?
One more, the oil ring now. You gotta pop it one more time.
Oh? Okay.
Yeah.
The wood messing up there.
Just a little more. It's right there.
I'm a piece of wood here, but I don't want to keep breaking up.
Oh, okay.
That cylinder is already actually.
All right. So this is number 2. One more. All right. Yeah.
This one
Number 2.
This one no good. This one again, this one no good.
So 1 and 3.
That's
That's 4. Number 4. Okay.
He didn't get over it.
So that's what happened in overheat. So now 2 pistons I need. So if the piston mash up like this, so then the sleeve also.
Yeah,
You know,
this
good.
one also, this one.
Alright.
But in this case, I could hold that sleeve,
Okay.
you know. But I have sleeve.
Alright.
In this case, I could hold the sleeve.
Alright.
Cause it don't weld up that much.
Yeah, that's all good.
Yeah, this one is not that bad.
Mm.
Yeah, but the ring scratch up a little bit.
Let's see, we change it.
Let me take on that much rings.
hard to come up.
Hard?
Alright, I got it.
He come up?
Yeah.
He scratch up?
No, this one is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, let me wipe it down. Yeah, now this one scratch up a little bit.
Hmm?
Yeah, this one. Alright, when you come up, you're gonna see.
Right.
Well, that's nothing.
Okay,
Right?
this is not no problem.
Alright.
This is like a normal
Yes.
way on a piston.
Alright.
Yeah, but eventually it will scratch up.
Oh. So how you prevent that now?
Hmm?
How you prevent?
Yeah, well, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. You see what happened to that cylinder?
Yeah.
Usually that would happen after 10, 12 years. The O-ring get hard and dry, and the antifreeze started escaping back into the cylinder. But in that case, the antifreeze wasn't escaping because the O-ring was like, that engine is not too long, rebuilt not too long.
Alright.
When I take out the O-ring, the sleeve now, we're going to inspect the sleeve.
Okay.
This is how when you take another engine, you have to look and see. You know, you just don't take out everything just like that. You have to investigate. You have to say
What caused
this. Yeah, this is definitely a situation with overheating.
Okay. Because the oil ring actually melted onto the piston, like welded itself. That's alright. So number 1 and number 4.
Okay, so number 1 and number 4. Right, okay.
Perfect.
I don't know, you know, water going to come down on me. Go.
Oh, okay.
They coming?
Yeah, it's popping up. Yeah, up.
Okay.
Pull it out?
Pull it up, yeah.
Alright. Oh.
Go.
Alright.
It's all complete, right?
Yeah, I have it in my hand, yeah.
Okay. We got to inspect it now. Okay, let's see. Let me see now.
I mean, the rubbers look alright.
Yeah, you see, this sleeve was not there not too long in the engine. The rubber is not busted, but what you see, it's all damaged. And you got 2 rubbers, right?
Two, let me see. Yeah, 2 rubbers. Yeah, one orange and one dark one.
The orange is the big one. This engine is not too long, Dillon.
Yeah, they just didn't do it right.
But I don't know. He gotta be overheat. The engine overheat. Okay. Number 1.
So we gotta prevent all that overheating now. I don't know.
Listen. The radiator had to clean out. And the radiator is very.
Just a little. Alright, now it's coming up. Alright, go ahead. Alright. Alright. All right. Bang it some more. You gotta hit more of like the exhaust side, the right side of the motor. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright.
Everything out?
Yeah, everything out, yeah. Yo, YouTube! Alright, so we're about to close off the vlog here. Not even a vlog, just, you know, I guess an update on the bus. But you guys see, like in the beginning when I got the bus, my father did say a piston was making that noise, that clack, 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 and everybody injectors, but you gotta go down into the engine and actually see what's wrong, and you see piston number 1, cylinder number 1, that one was woo. But it's no problem, my father got used pistons, like used good pistons, so we're gonna change 2 of them. Cylinder 1 and cylinder 4. He said cylinder 4 is not that bad. So I left him because today's Sunday, man. It's the 3rd, man. I gotta go eat some barbecue. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. About to go pick up wifey and we going over by her family, hang out. They go hang out with my boys. And then I said tomorrow's 4th of July. Probably shoot some more. I don't know. Maybe go see the fireworks. take you guys along with me. Don't want to damage up the rims. Alright, so money. And like while I was in DC, I actually called Daryl to actually buy me, because my father said he was going down into the motor, so I had Daryl go buy a head gasket and an oil pan gasket, and 120 bucks. 100 for freaking 2 gaskets, man. Well, the head gasket I know was money. The oil pan gasket was cheap, but 120 for 2 pieces of gaskets. What are you gonna do? I need it, so I don't care. I'll spend it. If the gaskets cost 500, I'll spend it. No problem. Because like I said, it's a little hobby, but I'm gonna be making money with it. So all the money I've spent on that bus, I'll make it back. I'm not crying over spilled milk. I had to spend the money. And we're gonna do everything right. Build that motor up good. And then my father don't want to put that 643 tranny behind it. He's like, oh, wait till you get a better bus and we can put that tranny on. Once the bus is done, I'm gonna open it up, take it out on the road. If I feel that 545 is good, I'll keep the 545. But if I feel like, yo, I need that 643, I need that extra gear, that overdrive, that's it. We're putting that tranny in there. But anyway, man, I'm out here on the highway right now. Whoa, traffic. Alright, so we closing it off. Gotta go pick up wifey. I told her to get the laptop ready so I can bring it over by our families. Man, you clean the screen? Yeah, I clean it. Alright. Yeah, so go pick up wifey. I don't know, I keep repeating myself, I'm tired. Anyway, we're back in New York from DC. Nice. Alright, so listen, yo guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow or the day after. School starts, summer school, everything starts Tuesday, so we'll be back at it on Tuesday. And maybe tomorrow we'll see some fireworks, not too sure. My dad's gonna be in the yard, maybe I'll be back with him. I don't know. But anyway, we're closing it off right now. So ladies, everybody, enjoy your weekend. Don't drink too much.